In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get privacy policy URL Klaviyo. To start, you will need to log into your Klaviyo account and get to the main dashboard area. As you look at the screen, focus on the bottom left corner of the interface. This is where your account options are usually located. In a moment, you are going to click your account name. When you click it, you should see a small menu open. Take a second to confirm you are in the right place before you move on. Now click your account name in the bottom left corner. This action is important because it is the gateway to your account level settings. Once the menu appears, look for the option labeled Settings. It may appear directly in the drop-down, or it may be one of the first items shown. The goal here is to reach the area where Klaviyo configuration options are grouped so you can make updates in the correct section. When you find Settings, go ahead and select it. After you select Settings, you will be taken to a Settings page. This page can include multiple tabs or categories, depending on the Klaviyo version you are using. The key is to locate the SMS tab. SMS settings are specifically related to text message communication preferences and related compliance details. Because of that, you should not jump into other tabs like email or branding. For this process, you want the SMS tab so your changes apply to the right type of messages. Next, click the SMS tab. When you do this, the content on the page should update and show SMS-related configuration options. Take a brief moment to scan the page so you can see what fields or sections are available. You might notice text and options related to message terms, compliance language, and terms of services. Klaviyo organizes this information so it is easier to manage what customers experience when receiving SMS messages. Now that you are on the SMS tab, you can make terms of services. This is the part where you apply the privacy policy URL and related legal text, depending on what fields are shown in your account. Look closely for the area that references terms of services or legal content. Depending on your setup, the page may show inputs where you can enter or manage service-related information. If you are trying to ensure your privacy policy is properly linked for SMS compliance, this is typically where that configuration lives or where the related terms content is managed. Once you find the section for terms of services, proceed to make the updates that are available on that screen. Follow the field prompts exactly as they appear. If you see a place to enter a URL, use the field provided for that purpose. If you see an option to manage terms content, select it and adjust the text as needed. The important thing is to keep your changes within the SMS settings area so they apply to the correct communication channel. After you make the needed terms of services updates, review what you entered before leaving the page. A quick check helps ensure the information displays correctly and that you did not accidentally enter something into the wrong field. If there is a save or confirm option on the page, make sure you use it so your changes are stored. This step matters because settings often do not fully apply until they are saved. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know. You can now access the correct place in Klaviyo by going through your account name, opening settings, selecting the SMS tab, and then making the terms of services updates in the appropriate area.